Members of Congress have launched a new push for permanent funding to support the health program that helps 140,000 9/11 first responders and survivors. The bill's rollout follows cuts to the program staff by Elon Musk's DOGE team, cuts that were later rescinded. Kevin Fry of our Washington, D.C. bureau has more in this report.
This is real. DOGE is not real. Elon Musk. Let me just say what everybody else is thinking.
Anger and frustration as advocates and members of Congress launch yet another push to help 9/11 survivors and first responders. A bipartisan coalition reintroducing legislation to make funding for the World Trade Center health program permanent. The program helps people exposed to toxic smoke and debris from the collapse of the Twin Towers. Without new funding, it would be forced to stop enrolling new patients in 3.5 years, and current enrollees could face cuts to their care.
It's time for America to put its money where its mouth is.
We've made a promise that we will never forget, and we will keep fighting for this.
The bill's introduction follows 3 months of instability. In December, President Donald Trump and his ally Elon Musk torpedoed a government funding bill that included permanent financing of the 9/11 program. Then, last week, about 20% of the program's workforce was fired or quit, part of Musk's DOGE campaign to downsize government. Amid outrage from lawmakers and advocates, those staffers were brought back. Some Republicans joining Democrats in openly criticizing what happened.
There was a mistake made there. It should not happen again. This is mandatory spending.
It just shows that they're acting too rash and that they need to slow it down a little bit.
9/11 firefighter Rob Serra, who is fighting 5 illnesses certified through the health program, was in Washington Wednesday urging lawmakers to act. Unlike some of his fellow advocates, he says he's not angry. He's just tired.
We're not going to stop coming here. We're going to make it very uncomfortable for the politicians that don't support us.
Like in December, another government funding deadline is just around the corner in March. Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, who's one of those spearheading this legislation, tells me the current goal is to get permanent funding included in any bill to keep the government open. In Washington, Kevin Fry, New York 1.